Hello everybody, I'm Elisabetta, and if you're searching for a software that is able to transfer your listing from WooCommerce to other sales channels or vice versa, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how you can do that with Nembol. Let's see it. To get started, go to the Channels tab and click on Connect Channels. Select WooCommerce, enter your store URL, and follow the prompts to complete the connection. The process is very similar for other sales channels. Once connected, an automatic import of your product will begin. If needed, you can manually run a second import later by clicking on Import Settings, adjust your preferences, and select Get Your Products in the top left corner. To publish your products from WooCommerce to other sales channels, go to the Products tab, select them individually or in bulk, then click Publish in the top right corner and choose the desired channel. There you can find the activities. As you can see, 3 products are going to be published on eBay and Etsy. As a final step, if you want, you can visit your eBay and Etsy channel to ensure that your products appear as expected. In a nutshell, we've seen how we can transfer listing from WooCommerce to eBay or Etsy, but with Nembol you can do the opposite too. You can start from your Etsy or eBay listing and then populate your WooCommerce as well. To see that guide, you can check our YouTube channel or follow us for more tutorials like this one. Have fun, bye bye!